Welcome! In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how we can enable or disable developer mode in this device. So we have to go for the settings at the first. Next you have to go for the update and security, and then click here for developers. When you are here, we have to easily enable or disable developer mode by tapping on the switcher just like that. And when you are going to enable, as you can see, we have the notification that when you turn on developer mode, including install and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, we could expose our device and personal data to security risk or harm our device. So be sure that if you want to really enable it and if you really need it. And after that, as you can see, we got also the two other options like device portal and device discovery. So yeah, that's how you can enable, and if you want to disable, just tap on the switcher just like that, and as you can see, it's very simple and you can very fast get rid of the developer options and also from install apps from any other source. And if you find this very useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.